The good folk at Aperol, the aperitivo liqueur brand most identified with the spritz, recommend equal parts Prosecco and liqueur topped with a splash of soda. However, we've stuck with our preferred 3 to 2 to 1 ratio, which is a little lighter on aperitivo liqueur and noticeably fizzier. Hence, along with specifying how you want your steak done and preferred dry martini ratio, perhaps also stipulate your spritz ratio. Alcohol content: 1.1 standard drinks, 8.33% alcohol/volume, 16.66 degrees proof, 15 grams of pure alcohol. Here I will show you how to make perfect Aperol Spritz recipe. Ingredients per cocktail: 1. Add ice. 2. 50% Prosecco. 3. 50% Aperol. 4. A splash of soda. 5. Mix. 6. Add a slice of orange. 7. Ready to drink.